go. 40, left 5 half long, tightens 3. Right 3 over crest, continues past junction, don't cut. And left 5 over crest. And right 3, 40 crest. Into caution, crest jump maybe. And right 4 half long, tightens. And left 4. Into middle over long crest. Into left 4 over 80, don't cut, 60. Caution, right 3 long, stay mid, tightens over crest, 60, long crest, jump maybe. Left 6, 80 crest, right 6 over crest bump and crest, 40 through dip. Left 3 over crest, don't cut. And right 3 opens long, into left 6. Into turn right 4, tight 3 over crest, 80. Right 6 half long over crest, jump maybe. Into middle over crest, jump. Into middle over crest and crest, 60 crest. And left 3 opens long, don't cut. Into middle over crest. And right 5 opens over crest, continues for 130. And tightens 4, don't cut, 60. Left 6 half long, 100. Left 4 over crest, opens long, 60. Middle over long crest, past junction, crest, 60. Small crest, jump maybe, 80 past junction. Right 6 over crest, jump maybe. And continues for 150 over bumps and crest. Into right 5 over crest, long, 40. Left 5 over crest, jump, keep in, 60. Right 6, into care, left 6 over long crest and dip. Left 6 over crest jump maybe, and caution crest bump, and turn right 4. Crest 80, small crest, and left 5 long bump, into crest jump maybe, and right 5 long, tightens 3 over crest. 80, over bump, and small crest jump maybe, and left 4 tightens 3 over crest, 80. Care crest jump maybe past junction, and right 4 opens over crest, 80 crest, and left 5 over crest jump maybe, 130. Right 6 continues over 2 small crests, and crest jump maybe, and left 4 half long, crest jump maybe. Right 5 half long, and small crest 80 over crest. Right 3 over crest, don't cut, and left 5 long, tightens 340. Right 4 past junction over crest, jump maybe, don't cut, 80. Right 4 over jump, 80. Left 6 half long, middle over crest, 200 through dip. Caution braking, middle over 2 crests, and turn square left, don't cut. Into middle over long crest, 60. Middle over crest jump maybe, 40. Left 4 long, don't cut, 80. Right 4 don't cut past junction, tightens 3, 100 past junction. Care left 6 over crest jump maybe, 100. Left 5 keep in over crest, 40. Right 4 half long, keep very in. Care 80 past junction, hairpin left. 40. Crest jump maybe, 130. Right 3 half long past junction, don't cut, 80. Left 5, 60 past junction. Left 3 open 60. Right 5 half long. To finish.